Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create new notebooks in NotebookLM. So now that you are familiar with the main page on NotebookLM, let's get down to the real nitty-gritty and actually start creating notebooks. Here I'm on List View, and if I want to create a new notebook, I can just click on the button for Create New. If you are in Grid View or Tile View, you have a couple of different options. This Create New button is still here. Plus, this tile right here is a devoted button to create a new notebook. So let's click on that. All right, a window's going to pop up. There's a couple of different ways to add sources to a notebook. You can either add your own from Google Docs, Google Slides, websites, YouTube, or copied text. You can choose files from your computer or Chromebook to upload. Or up here in the upper right, if you are not really in possession of any sources on a specific topic, you can actually tell NotebookLM to discover sources. So if I click on that, you'll be able to click on uh, either I'm feeling curious, just making a generic notebook, or if you have a topic in mind, but you're not really sure what it is you're looking for, you can just type in what you want the notebook to be about, and NotebookLM will scour the internet and look for, I believe it gives you 10 sources. And if that's not enough, you can just do it again and add 10 more. You can select which ones from those 10 you want to include. You do not have to include them all. And that's how you can create a new notebook. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.